You correct a systematic error by identifying its source and then either calibrating or repairing the instrument, applying a calculated correction factor to your results, or switching to a properly calibrated instrument so measurements are accurate. A systematic error is a consistent problem that makes every measurement too high or too low, like a ruler that is slightly short or a scale that reads 5 grams heavy. To fix it, first find what is causing the bias by checking the instrument against a known standard or reference. If the device can be adjusted, calibrate it so its readings match the standard, and if it is broken, repair or replace it. Sometimes you cannot change the instrument right away, so you measure the error using standards and apply a correction factor to your results to remove the bias. Students often think random mistakes are the same as systematic error, but random errors make measurements scatter while systematic error shifts everything in one direction. The tip is to look for consistent offsets, not just scatter. Another common mistake is trusting a single reading instead of comparing with a known standard, so always check instruments against reference values before relying on them. Some people try to fudge numbers instead of fixing the instrument, and the simple solution is to either repair or apply a documented correction factor rather than altering data without justification. For more videos and resources on fixing measurement errors, check out www.gumballdegree.com.